About 2022, I just hit a wall of burnout and I wasn't even quite sure I wanted to be in this industry anymore. I was just so severely burned out. I wanted to close my practice. I just wanted to get out of physical therapy and just find something completely unrelated because that's how burned out I was. Then I started working with you, Allison, one-on-one coaching and really helped me to turn my business around. You helped me really to see what do I want in the future. And around that time, my husband and I were talking about what do we want in retirement? Do we want to stick around here in Colorado? Do we want to travel? And so I really thought, you know what, I'd love to be able to develop some of these online services, some classes. I realized I love to teach information and train, with different styles of exercise. And so it really came about from that, just all coming together and us talking on our one-on-one coaching calls and you encouraging me to really dive in and write down what it is that I want. What's the future look like for Justine? Not what people want me to do or what's expected of me, but what do I truly want? And really happy with my in-person, my clinic is doing very well. I have a 6 to 8 week wait list in my clinic with the work that I've done with you and making some staff changes and just going back to my roots of what do I want? Why did I start this business? Really gave me some clarity. And I really feel like that's helped just, if you will, kind of the energy of my business. I'm just
Sure.
renewed the passion that who I want to work with and how I want to offer that. And what that looks like. And I really feel like that's what's fueling the success that I'm seeing in my business now. People waiting. I raised my rates just 2 months ago and I hadn't done since 2019. And I didn't get any pushback, even with my
Yeah.
current patients. So now I'm even making more revenue one-on-one. But it really, these classes are a way for me to, you help me to see like, how can I be of service, which is really dear to my heart anyway. How can I help more people and reach those goals later, like kind of work my way step by step to the goal that I want to have, like some online presence so that I can have the freedom to travel and maybe still have a clinic and maybe not. Again, I don't know 100% what that looks like and what the timeline is, but having the freedom to decide that for myself and to see the confidence that I'm building to see that this is legit. I can do this. I have the skills that I used to feel limited. If I couldn't get my hands on people, I prided myself on being a manual therapist. I love getting my hands on people. But being able to help them through teaching and modeling exercise, and people are giving me really good feedback on how this is helping them, it makes me feel so good.